power of branding and lessons that I've learned from this. So I'm going to give you 4 great lessons to help you with your branding and why it's important to do this. At the end of it, if you listen all the way through to this end of this video, there will also be a free gift for you. So please comment below. Really appreciate your comments. So I've just come back from a really good holiday in Sicily with my lovely wife, Sarah. And while we were there, something special happened that taught me some lessons about branding that I'm going to give to you. So before we went, I had some sloppy t-shirts printed like this and with my brand all over. And it was absolutely astonishing what happened. I was sitting in a walled garden on an evening with my lovely wife, sitting there, not many people about, only about 30 people in there, and we're eating our meal and we've had a nice glass of red wine. And over on a table just over to the other side there was a couple, and they kept looking over. And I'm thinking, all right, what's going on? Have I done something wrong? Have I offended them? Did I swear? No, you know, it's not like me to swear too much. And after about 20 minutes, this guy, he's come over to me and he said, I know you. And I'm thinking, right, okay, that's really good. You know me. I know I'm famous in the UK, but in Sicily, probably not. So he said, yeah, he said, I saw you walking along the beach with your t-shirt on, and Flip Flop Psycho got me. So he said, what I did, he said, I went onto Google, had a look, and you come straight to the top of Google. He said, and I've learned quite a bit. And can I buy you a bottle of wine and you answer a question for me? So I thought, right, okay, bottle of wine, free bottle of wine. I'm not going to say no. 2 bottles of wine and 2 hours later, we've agreed to meet in the UK when I got back. And now he's a client. So from walking along the beach with a t-shirt on, he spotted me. We've gone to a restaurant, sat down, there it is. Now we met back in the UK and he's now a client. So we've signed a 2-year deal. How good is that? But 4 lessons, really important lessons here for me that I've learned, and hopefully you can as well. So number 1 of those lessons, think about this, the power of branding. What is it? Something as simple as this, the Flip Flop Psycho. How does that stand out in our client's mind? Now, he obviously thought about it and he saw it and thought he'd look it up. So what is it for you? What is your brand? What could be your brand? And what is it that is unique for you that will actually do it? So something that speaks without you saying anything. It's like you'll all remember the Quick Fit. You can't get quicker than a Quick Fit fitter. So anybody thinks about branding like that or a tap like that, we all know which supermarket we're talking about, don't we? So what could yours be? Because there's a lot of power in it. The next bit, which is a really important lesson for all of this, we're always networking and you get what you network for. So if you're not prepared and you haven't got a decent pitch or any way to get to know somebody, you know, what have you got in your social media for that? You need something that is going to be there, because we're networking all the time. It's a similar thing happened to me in a queue at football. I'm speaking to a guy at Wembley Stadium and we end up coming on as a client. He come on as a client. So think about this. How good are your communication skills when you're out and about? Because every opportunity, you don't know, which brings me on to the next bit. Number 3, you must engage with people. If you don't start a conversation, how do you know where it's going to go? How do you know if you're just going to keep yourself to yourself? And if you're coming across with that old ball that, oh, I'm shy, shut up, get over yourself, get out there and start the conversation, because you never know. As a good mate of mine, Nick Inge, would always say, hashtag you never know. Look him up as well. You might learn something there. And number 4, we all need positive social proof. It's absolutely crucial to us to market our business. So if you're not using social media, you're definitely missing out on some free advertising. The other bit about social proof is testimonials. You know, so many people, they come to me and say, oh yeah, I don't like asking. Get over yourself again. Ask for a testimonial. If you've done a good job, ask for it. Ask for somebody to say something about you. If it's true, brilliant. If it's negative, sometimes you can learn from that. That's the way that I've looked. If somebody's got something negative to say to me, what am I learning? So there's those 4 things for you. Come on, get those bits done. Now for the gift. Here's a gift. If you have a look at one of these 2 videos, I will actually give you a free place on my next mindset course, and I'm looking for the best comment below. So come on, subscribe, turn on notifications, make a comment below, and you could get a free place worth 4,000 quid on my next mindset course. So come on, do it now.